Today we're going to talk about problem solving using perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the total distance around a 2D shape. To find perimeter, you add the length of all the sides. Here's our first example. In this triangle, there's a side with 5, another side with 5, and another side with 3. To find the perimeter, we have to add all 3 sides together. 5 plus 5 plus 3 is a total perimeter of 13 units. Here's another example. In this picture, we have a hexagon. Each side has a length of 3, so we have to add all the sides together. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is a total of 18 units. This hexagon has a perimeter of 18. Now let's use perimeter to solve a problem. Tony is planting a garden. The garden is a rectangle with a length of 7 feet and a width of 5 feet. What is the perimeter of the garden? So I have a length of 7 feet. I know the opposite side on a rectangle is the same distance. And I have a width of 5 feet. And the opposite side is 5. I must add these numbers together in order to find the perimeter. I know 7 plus 7 gives me 14, and 5 plus 5 gives me 10. 14 plus 10 is a total of 24 feet. The perimeter of the garden is 24 feet. The picture below shows the Smith family's plan for installing tile floor in the kitchen. What is the perimeter of the kitchen? In this example, I have to use the key at the bottom. It tells me that one line is equal to 1 foot. So I need to find the distance of each side and add them together. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 feet. So the other side is 8 feet on a rectangle. And the width, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 5 feet. To find the perimeter of the kitchen, I need to add 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5. I know 8 plus 8 is 16, and 5 plus 5 is 10. 16 plus 10 is 26. So the perimeter of the kitchen is 26 feet. Take a look at this problem. It says the square below has a perimeter of 16 units. What is the length of each side? So I know when I add all the sides together, I'll get a total of 16. So I'm going to divide that 16 among each side to determine the distance of each side. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. My picture shows me that the length of each side should be 4. I'm going to add this together to see if I'm right. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 gives me a total of 16. Here's another problem. Stephen wants a picket fence around the perimeter of his garden. His garden is 4 feet long and 6 feet wide. How many feet of fence will he need? It's 4 feet long and 6 feet. So I need to add all the sides to find out how much fence he will need. I know that 6 plus 6 is 12, and 4 plus 4 is 8, and that gives me a total of 20 feet. Stephen will need 20 feet of fence to go around the perimeter of his garden. In this problem, we have a multiple choice answers. It says Miss Dunham needs to find the perimeter of her bulletin board. What should she do? A, should she measure the length and width of the board and multiply? We know that when we're finding perimeter, we do not multiply the length times the width. We add all of the sides together. So answer choice A is not correct. Answer choice B says measure the length of the board. We do need to measure the length of the board, but that is not all we have to do in order to find the perimeter. So answer choice B is not correct. Answer choice C says multiply the length and width of the board and divide by 2. Again, we do not need to multiply the length and width or divide to find the perimeter. Answer choice C is not correct. Look at answer choice D. It says measure the length of each side and add them together. That's exactly what we do in order to find the perimeter. We need to add all the sides together. So answer choice D is correct. Remember, perimeter is the total distance around a shape. To find perimeter, add all of the sides of the shape together. And that concludes our lesson on finding perimeter and using problem solving.